As the school year comes to a close for traditional schools, that naturally is a time for us where we can go in and not worry about noise and dust and disrupting classrooms. So summers are very busy for us. Every month we're upgrading carpet, windows, boilers, air conditioning, roof, even lighting, energy, and a big topic this year has been security, making sure that we get our schools with secure vestibules and cameras. But we also have the big projects, the new schools, and right now we've got Elementary 63 that is going in West Layton on the old Dibble Farms property, and we've got West Bountiful Elementary that should be opening after the first of the year, along with the big projects. We've got just a small roofing project going on at Northridge High and then remodeling inside the building. And we've got a new band and choral room remodel at Clearfield High School. Cook, we have a new boiler. Another project that the district has been engaged in is replacing our grass with artificial turf. Northridge High School is being replaced this summer.
So West Bountiful right now, they are erecting steel. They have a lot of site work happening. We're going to be working through the school year next year and then hopefully have an April move-in time.
Ascent Construction has been amazing in involving me in the process. Just to see it get one step closer to actually be selecting furniture for the building now is just making it one step closer to the amazing school that's being built for us at West Bountiful. So Ascent Construction made the students individual shirts. They even made shirts for our incoming kindergarten students this fall. And then they also had all of the faculty members and students to sign a beam. So we are now a hanging beam in our new school.